Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to run DeX mode on Windows PC using Samsung Galaxy smartphone having One UI 8.0. So let's begin. Firstly, go to any web browser and search for the applications named as Scripy, SCRCPY, and you'll see here on the first search result from the GitHub page. Go to GitHub page and you'll see here the official repository of the application from GitHub, and on the right side click on releases. Now go to assets and click on the zip file for your respective Windows. Once the file is downloaded, just go to the folder where it is downloaded and extract the zip file. Once extracted the zip file, go to the extracted folder. Now on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, go to the settings and turn on the developer options. To turn on the developer options, go to about phone and software information. Now tap on build number several times and click OK. Once the developer mode is enabled, you will see the message called developer mode is enabled. And now go back and you'll see here on the setting on very below developer options is there. Now go to the developer option and find the options called scroll it down and you'll see here on the developer option under Windows management, turn the settings on, force activities to be researchable, turn it on, and turn this settings also on, and this also make it enable. Now again go back and search for auto blocker. Search for auto blocker in the settings and go to auto blocker and disable this setting. Go to the setting and search for auto blocker and turn off the auto blocker setting. Now go back again. Now again go to developer options again. Now find the settings called USB debugging. You'll see here USB debugging option is here. Now enable it. Press OK. Now close the settings. Now connect the USB data cable if not connected. Now once again go to the application folder where you have extracted. Open the folder name as Scriffy and now click here on open a terminal here. Open it. Press enter. Open. Once you open the terminal, you'll see here the black screen. Now type here, type this command. Type this command in the command prompt and press enter. Now you will be prompted as ADB applications. Just allow it on your PC, and also you'll see the allow debugging options on your Samsung smartphone screen. Now click on allow. Now type the command again and press enter, and you'll see the full desktop like interface for your mobile screen in your Windows computer. Now you can experience multi windows, as well as you can open multiple applications at the same time. Once you are in DeX mode, you can use any applications in full screen desktop like user interface. You can see here I have opened a Chrome browser, and I can see the or use the desktop like interface, and also support the multi windows and multi-tab browsing. So this is how you can run DeX mode on Windows PC using your Samsung Galaxy smartphone.